Hey everybody, I'm outside because look, see that? There's like a thunder coming over here in Cityscape. I wanted to vlog this for now. Look at that. It's kind of beautiful how it is. Oops, my neighbor came. But yeah, it's kind of cool how it's like thunder coming now to our city. But kind of a good thing, see? I think a Cityscape is gonna get thunder now because holy shit. Sorry, but oh, that was a big one. That was a big one, guys. Am I lying? This is like big. It's like a big lightning. Like I don't know, is it coming straight for us, but it's kind of like big for me now. Hello. It's kind of cool how it is. Whoa, lightning. Whoa. It's kind of beautiful. What did I say? But yeah, it's kind of cool how it is. Whoa, it was. Yeah, but yeah, Cityscape is kind of like getting doom. Oh my, that was a big. Yeah, so it's gonna struck lightning here Cityscape now, so I'll get covered for now because I'm not gonna go to sleep yet. But this thunder is so big, like I don't know how it's so big. Holy crap, that was a big one. Anyways, I gotta go. Alright, yeah. Thanks guys for watching my video. Peace out.